Welcome to Selvin Kitchen today, guys. But today we are outside in my garden. You can see that I don't have enough garden space. So what I do, I buy some flowers pot and I have some pepper. So we have no Scotch bonnet pepper. So this is the bell pepper. In Jamaica we call it sweet pepper. So I have loads of sweet pepper there in those flowers pot. And over here, guys, because I was on holiday, I wasn't here to take care of them, but thank God everything was okay. The breeze blew them down a bit, so I just tied them up with some string. So I get some wires and I put some wires there to give them a little bit of support. So when I put on the tomato, the weight of the tomato don't break down the plant. So this is right here. That's a nice tomato there coming out. Nice beautiful tomato. So we have some other tomato here, guys, coming out right here. So this one, the breeze did break them down and the rain was falling, as I said before. So I get some wire to give them the support to tie them up. I never see a tomato tree grow so tall. It's nearly 6 foot tall. Then I have some more over here where this tie up a while ago and growing so big, and when the wind blow and the rain fall on them, then break them down. So just give them some support, just tie them up. So what I say, if you guys don't have a backyard, or you guys have a backyard but you don't have the space, you have a little narrow space like me right here. See, there's a little narrow space, maybe around 15 inches wide. So what I do, I just plant the tomato in some pot. When they come up, I just transplant them right here. Over here we have some nice spring onion coming up here in the middle of them. We have another set of spring onion. So guys, in this pot here, it was a rubbish bin. I was gonna chuck it away. So what I do now, I just plant some potato in it. You look at these potatoes ready to come up. So I'm just gonna put my hand in it. See, potatoes here, ready to come up, guys. You have some potato there, it's a nice little potato in it, ready to come up. So later on, I'm just gonna take out those potatoes. Over here we have more bell pepper. Snails them. The snail and the slugs them was giving me a warm time because there's nobody was here to take care of them. So the snail was having a harvest there. So gonna deal with those snail and those slug. So this is my little small garden. Over here we have another section. So we have some potato over here where I plant. Look, the potato I'm getting under control. I need to take care of them. And the tomato, I have some more tomato here, so I get some string over here, so I tie them up. And these clothesline here, just to give them the support. Kind of growing so big. Down here we have some more lovely, nice, chunky spring onion. So if you guys in Jamaica, you guys any part of the world, you guys don't have a garden, but you have a little bit of space, land space, you don't have to go to the market, the supermarket to buy your potato, to buy your sweet pepper. You guys can plant it. Guys, I just come back from Jamaica and things in Jamaica are so expensive, guys. Oh my God. So over here we have another little bit of slug here. This is one of them right here. See the rain coming out. So this one now is eating off all of my plants, them guys. I ain't gonna kill them. I'm just gonna chuck them away. Chuck them away over there. We have some blackberry here. I just picked some blackberry a while ago. We're gonna make some blackberry and ginger juice. Lovely, nice, ripe blackberry. We have some more. See, look on this blackberry, nice and ripe. And then we have some more tomato plants over here. We have loads of tomato. I never know I plant so many tomato. So this one now, I have to go get another bigger piece of stick for this one to give it some nice support. And we have some more spring onion here coming up. And over here, guys, some nice mint. Beautiful mints. So the mint is putting out flowers. I think this is the seed. My hand is dirty, guys, because I was in the garden. So this is the seed of the mint. I never know the mint seed like this. This is a nice mint. I just bought a little plant and then I planted. I buy it in the supermarket, guys. I did buy the little plant in the supermarket in this bowl here, and then I transplant it, and look how big is it. It's huge. You just spreading all over the place. But I like a beautiful cup of mint tea. You have two little bit of spider over here. There's one, another one here. Just gonna get them off. And then over here, guys, we have more tomato. As I said, I'd give them a little bit of support. I just tie them up here. And I have loads of red potato and white potato. In Jamaica, we call it Irish potato, guys. You see them just spreading all over the place. And this is giving me problem. These slugs here, guys. I'm just tired of them. They're just eating everything. And that's dangerous, but I ain't gonna kill them. I'm just gonna get them. I'm just gonna chuck them over there. So when the rain fall, then come out because it's easier to move in that way. So this one now, guys, this potato here, around 6'2" tall, and the wind rip it down. So what I'm gonna do, so this tomato here around 6'2" tall, guys. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna tie it up. I tie it up already, but the wind rip it down, guys. It grows so tall. As I said before, there's nobody was here to take care of them. So what I do now, I'm just gonna get a piece of string, piece of wire, and tie it up to give it the support because I'm growing so big. What I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna get a knife and trim off some of the leaves them because it's too much weight, and the tomato plant, when the wind blowing, you just break them down. Okay, as I said before, guys, you guys don't have a garden space like me to plant stuff. You have a narrow local space. Just get the seeds them, the same sweet pepper or bell pepper where you buy. Take out the seed, you sow the seed in a pot, and then after, then come up, you transplant them. I'm telling you, you guys in Jamaica have the land, but you guys don't want to plant. And criticize no one, because I just come from Jamaica as well. And I always say, anybody planting anything. If you want a sweet pepper, you go to the shop and buy it. If you want a tomato, you go to the shop and buy it. Guys, you guys can plant it. Trust me, it's easy. It's very easy. See it? I don't have any garden space to plant anything, guys. See it? I just got the pot and I put them in a pot. And my tomato plants, them when they come out, I don't transplant them in there. Beautiful, guys. I'm telling you. Look at those, loads of tomato plant. I can supply the supermarket with tomato when they come up. I'm gonna give it to my next neighbors, them, some of them. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. So take care, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Selvin Kitchen. If you guys find this video education, drop me a comment and let me know. It's very easy to do. So take care from Selvin Kitchen. Bye.